You met me yesterday at Lifetime in the sauna, bro. Yeah, I was in the sauna. It's crazy. I was in the sauna yesterday and met someone that trades with us every day in Team Bull. He's like, bro, I took that trade with you. Or not yesterday. He's like, I take your trades, bro. It's like, that's awesome. It's so much better than if I was just some capper who couldn't trade and I meet people and they're like, yeah, you suck. It's always so positive. Super dope. Super dope. Being able to help people and give out the best trades we possibly can. Hopefully, we need to make a trade today, Greg. Your level yesterday, that 439 smacked. I'm talking smacked, bro, to the T. Not a dollar more, not a dollar less. Yeah, bro, that was nuts. Yep. What am I watching? Well, as far as the NASDAQ and futures go, potentially a lower high entry up near 550 to 600 on a daily perspective. I'd like to see some downturn in the market. I'm not fully convinced of it because all we've been doing is going straight up. But I would love to see another downtrend day like yesterday, to some extent. I would be honored to see that. Jdun a gatekeeper on his levels and price action bias. I hope you're joking, bro. Bro's like, here's how bro thinks I am. Sorry, guys. I'm not going to tell you what I'm watching or what I'm trading because it's my strategy and I will not be telling any of you. Just, it's literally the opposite of that. Literally the opposite. You're funny. Sorry, guys. This is my strategy and my strategy only. I'll never tell you ever. It's a secret. It's a secret. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. What's up, Sandy, Polo, Lino, Akash? Oh, whoops. Good morning, everybody. Let's start a poll. Let's see where we think we're going today. Chat, what's up? Chart Lover, Lucky Star, what's good, everyone? Good morning, YouTube. We got the, as a reminder, if you're coming back, we got the latency or the lag down. So it should only be 4 or 5 seconds. I am in Zoom Discord. That's where I primarily am, but I like to say hello to the YouTube chat and TikTok chat as well for the free live streams. The most value is in Team Bull, but we do have a lot of value in our free lives too. You guys think we chop today? It's possible. We have FLMC at noon, so we could very well chop until then. Market's open, baby. Let's get it. It's game time. Well, the good old-fashioned grizzly. Let's do this. That's the best. Then you have the choice. You're like, well, if you don't feel like it, just don't trade it. If you feel, I mean, you don't have to trade it either way, but that would be nuts. I don't think they will. It's only a 3-4% chance. But I mean, I've seen crazier things. I've seen crazier things. I've seen crazier things. How's everyone's morning going in Team Bowl? Let's get a roll call. How y'all doing today? Y'all feeling rested, ready to trade? Immaculate. Fan-effing-tastic. Good. That's the energy we want in here, baby. That's what we're looking for. Feeling rested. Good. Great. Yes, Spartan. That's what I'm saying, baby. What's up, Hill Boss? Digital Dad's feeling great. Vibes are high. Frequencies are high. We're ready. Ready to make some money. As a reminder, guys, the best prop firm deals today are as follows. Using code Jdun always for best discount. Tradeify is 50% off. We got FFF 60% off. And then we got Apex back down to 50% off as well. 3 best deals. All right, let's get this all settled. 30-minute there, 5-minute. Yep, Apex is 50% off. FFF, Funded Futures Family, 60. And then so Tradeify dropped their bottom line price. So with the discount right now till tomorrow, it's 50% off. Aggressive move down. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and mark out our levels now that market's open. Let's mark out that London low, high. Oh, nope. All right, there we go. You know, it's pretty dope because grandma's, after her surgery a few months back, I'm sure some of you guys remember, she's back to lifting her pre-surgery weights in the gym. Grandma's grinding, bro. The trainer, 3-4 days a week. Back to pre-surgery weights. Makes me super stoked. Bro, grandma grinds. She lost like 70 plus pounds at 70 years old. If she can do it, I promise anyone can. We got grandma losing 75 pounds at 75 years old. If she can do it, I don't want to hear no excuses from nobody else. None. That's right, Jonathan. Grandma getting after it. Yes, sir. Sir. Good morning, Troy. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that subscribe button. I'm going to do my absolute best to get y'all a winner today. Thank you, Tommy. Appreciate you, bro. We're breaking this pre-market structure. I'm interested in the long entry. It's early and it's a little higher risk, but we'll see. See how this candle closes, what we can get. What was that? That pre-market high area? Yeah. We're going to have a massive opening range, huh? Well, not massive, but decent if we keep trending up. Decent. Greg calls ES out. We'll see how this candle closes. Wherever. It broke the structure. I was interested. I wish we would have closed a little. We close a little lower with some nice volume here. Try longs at the stop below this candle low. I just have such a bad rap of trading in the first 15 minutes. My stats say, Jdun, don't do it. And I say, well, the setup looks good. Do it. And my data says, nope, don't do it, Jdun. Don't do it. Not seeing a lot on Tesla right now either. We also have FOMC today as well. Might have to have some students come break in the new trading headquarters this Friday. We got 6 computers right now set up and ready. A lot of people bring their laptop, but I understand it's not ideal trading on a laptop. Might need to break that in today, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this is just not ideal. This is why we wait. Who wants to come trade live with me in Colorado with the trading headquarters, Team Bull? If I said, come with me on Friday, who's coming? Oh, yeah. I might need to make that happen. I might need to make that happen this week. I need to make that happen, baby. I'm in CO. Nice. Me, I'm in. Yeah, we might have to have some people. Might have to have some people out. I've never been out part of the Discord. Well, join up in the Discord, even the free Discord. There's so much value in the free Discord. You never have to pay $1. You'll get free Friday every week. Lots of good value. The free Discord's in below the YouTube in the description. Yeah, you're a barber, so I know you got income. You guys make killer money these days. I respect it, bro. It's dope. A little bit of them all the way in Texas. Well, come on up. Texas is cool. It's one of the 5 places I would live besides Colorado. It's not ahead of Florida, but it's up there. We got this close above that breakout level from pre-market. These 2 wicks are sketchy. Like, this isn't really a candle necessarily that I want to long. I like that we closed up here. We have this aggressive wick up. And I like that we also retested this break of structure line, but that's not necessarily a wick that I want to long. You feel me? Yep, day trade, then hit the gym after. We got a gym at the office, too. We have a nice gym at the office. I got a deal on all my equipment, but it's probably, what, $6,000, $7,000 worth of equipment in there. Maybe more. Brand new, probably like $10,000 worth of equipment in there. We trade and get ripped. Rich and ripped. Yes, Mr. Papa, I'm down. I'm down. If you guys want to be in the daily Discord Zoom or in the Discord, the link's below the channel, bro. Right now, I'm not seeing a lot that I like in this first range. A reminder, we do have FOMC today, so just be careful of that. What you watching for, Grizzly Glock? Anything at all? Also, I meant to ask, I'm sure a lot of y'all have been on the internet more than I have this morning. How's what's it called? How's Hawaii doing? Did that tsunami ever hit? Or what's the diagnosis on it? Are the estimations still bad? I haven't really been on X or watched the news. Nothing burger, that's good. Very good. I mean, not good that it's going to hit Kawhi, but good that it's not as bad as expected. 8.8 magnitude's no joke. That ain't no joke. That is no joke. No joke at all. Like I won a championship game. This was the area I wanted to long, but again, no entries. We'll see how the 15-minute range comes out. See if we can get something. Yep, top 10 since we started measuring. See how the 15 minutes looking. 15 minutes looking decently bullish. See how we close it in 30 seconds. If you like that. Close this strong. I'm willing to look for a pullback for longs now. Willing to look for it. Yeah, likely. That's what I'm thinking. I like the longs on there before. I just wanted to see a little more confirmation. I'd actually like to see a little lower. Down to like 490s. I'll sweep and then go. Yeah, I agree. 15-minute looks good too. But we're going to go take out my price target first, which is no bueno. I don't like that we're taking out pre-market high first. Oh, there we are. My directional bias was right. We just didn't get the right entry. I didn't like those first 2 5-minute candles. And on the third 5-minute, we never got a pullback. This is going to take a little more patience today. Grizzly, that NVIDIA just pulled back to 177. Bro said, no more hesitating, baby. We execute. I don't love this candle right here. Come on, puppy. Give us a good trade. Give us a good trade. Actually, someone asked if I trade silver or gold. I was thinking about starting to watch gold more. Gold actually has been moving pretty well for futures. The orb kind of low-key kind of smacks on gold. I'm gonna keep that on watch today because why not? Why not have a little gold action on the orb? Why not? I'll keep that on watch on one of the screens too. What? I'm watching. We went back down to my balance area. We're here. It's just sketchy. And we took out my price target too. We just swept pre-market high. So we may head back up, but it makes the setup a bit riskier. Makes the setup riskier. How we doing, YouTube chat? You guys enjoying the stream with a little less lag on there? It's behind like 5 seconds. What do you mean? You mean 5 minutes? You're probably not up to date in the stream. 5 seconds. He wants no lag whatsoever. None. 0 seconds. If you want that, join the Zoom. It's in Discord every day. It's probably internet, bro. For Amy. There's not much lag on this. We fixed it, baby. I got y'all. All I ask in return is you guys choose discipline over dopamine. And you guys manage your risk. I want to see y'all manage your risk. I want you to come trade live with me every day knowing that we're going to stay patient, we're going to stay calm and collected and find some winners. No setups yet. No setups yet for your boy. I think there's like 4 to 6 seconds on TikTok as well. Yeah, this isn't a candle that I can long. Definitely not. Most def not. I'm almost tempted to look for a pop-up for shorts with stops above the highs. What are we at for it? 490 was the high, 525. So I'd have to have a move to like 500-ish to make it worth it. They made us chop us till FOMC. I'm not going to put that past them. Not going to put that past them. But I am open to looking for a pop-up a bit higher and trying shorts. I don't think you're blocked, bro. You're typing. If you're blocked on another account, it's probably because you were talking T. If someone talks T, we just kick them. I don't want that energy in here. No bad vibes. Malo. Oh, come on, give us a pop-up first. Don't dip without giving us our chance to enter. Even right here is just too much risk. That 90 would have been 35 points, almost 40 points to the upside. If we can just find one good trade today, I'll be happy. One good trade today is all it takes. It's all it takes. It doesn't take a lot. Some patience, some size down. I go top to bottom or vice versa, depending on the trend. My only fear today is that they chop us in this zone and they don't give us any real trend until later or till after FOMC. Do we? What do we have? Home sales? Some home sales. Yeah, that was my main watch right now with that 5-minute candle. We swept pre-market highs. It was London highs. Swept the 15-minute high. So, I mean, that's what I would like to see. Does it give us a clean setup? I'm not entirely sure. I'm not super confident because it's FOMC day, but I'm willing to try it. I'm willing to try it with a bit less size. The risk reward there is worth it to me if we could get the pop, but I'm not sure. We will. We'll see. Not in a rush. What's up, Dirk? Good morning, bro. Appreciate all y'all being here, liking the YouTube stream, hitting that subscribe button, joining me every single morning. I do my best to find you guys winning trades every single day. Day by day, I come on here focused, caffeinated, ready to dominate with y'all. And yes, I will be live for FOMC. You'll notice on my stream, I try to engage as much as I can, but I'm also focused on helping you guys learn and helping you guys find winning trades. And as always, I appreciate if you are trading with prop firms, I always tell you that I don't want you trading with prop firms forever. But if you are, you can use code Jdun on Apex, Tradeify, or FFF for the best possible discount. And get your payout, move it to a live account. I don't want you using prop firms forever. Love these lives. Thank you, Elizabeth. Delayed dopamine. Hey, I love your name. Goat. I appreciate you, bro. Come on, don't reject yet. I know, I want to go short so bad. I just want to follow my plan. What is? Oh, come on. Don't reject already. That is dirty. We also have news in 3 minutes, too. Between not being at my solid risk reward spot and having news, it's just not worth the risk. I like the setup, but been following you for like 4 or 5 years now and gone on the journey with you, getting better and making more really fun to enjoy your morning take. Plus, you're hosting this on YouTube for free. Stay hard. Appreciate you, bro. God bless. Man, that's what's up. Good morning, Chris. Appreciate you, Mike. Hey, you got to be doing something right. Only if people stop hating, you know you're not relevant anymore. You see it with all the people making a difference in the world. There's always haters. It's when you stop having haters that you worry. So no one cares no more. We're making a difference, baby. I always just say, come watch me trade live. Come listen to me trade live. Where my West Coast homies at, you got Mountain Time, homie. I'm like a acquaintance. I'm a time zone acquaintance. I'm 1 hour ahead. 2 minutes till news. 2 minutos till news. Staying patient here. There's no way I'm longing down here, but it's also too risky for me to short. So system says stay patient. System says stay patient. Out here in Idaho, that's where my extended family is. Twin Falls. I did get my YouTube synced better. Yep. It's only a 4 or 5 second delay now. So again, if you don't want the small screen share on the TikTok, you can always tap into the YouTube. Our TikTok community is goated, but just saying, you can also tap into the YouTube as well. Just saying. News in 1 minute. News in, or 20 seconds, excuse me. News in 20 seconds, everybody. News in 20 seconds. News dropped. Nothing burger. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Where to, huh? Let's see where we're at from top to bottom on the day. 490 is at 50%. 500 at 61.8. Still only like shorts. So why couldn't we get that pop up higher? Why couldn't they give us a bit more? Nice job, Jay Quinn. I respond to chat. I'm just watching the charts a lot of the time. I'm not sitting there constantly looking at chat, but I look over every minute or so. Doing my best to find you guys winning trades. Would you rather me sit there and just talk to you 24/7, or would you like me to talk to you maybe 18/7 and also find you a winning trade in the process? I think y'all would rather make money. I mean, that's just me. I'm trading NQ right now. Nasdaqita, my lady Nasdaq. I think y'all want winning trades. Man. Just didn't ever got the retest back up. Never got the retest back up. That's a bummer. What's that? $440. Okay. I'll watch it with you. What's Bitcoin been doing? BTC 118. What do you guys think of Bitcoin? You guys bulls or bears? Team Bull. You guys lovers or haters of Bitcoin, crypto? I'll tell you right now, I'm a lover. I'm a big time lover. Bulls. I'm a bull too. I think we're going to 500K plus. I think we're going to 500. 500K. Yeah, it's a symmetrical bet for me. You know, if I lose over $1 million. If I win, we make a lot of millions. That's worth it to me. If I can potentially lose, 1.5 million or whatever. I think I have like what? Or around 15 Bitcoins. If I can lose whatever that. What? Yeah. You want some? You'll hold some for me? I'd rather lose 1.5 mil if it means making potentially 5-6 mil, right? That's a bro. You have no idea, dude. Just in 2024, from my assistant that does all the emails, over $1 million in crypto was stolen by fake Jdun just from emails we got. How crazy is that? Over $1 million in just 2024 of people saying, "Hey, I got scammed." We kept track of all of it just in case. Like, one time I had to talk to those regulators. Those state of Wisconsin regulators were like, "Hey, we heard you stole someone's life savings." It's like, no. They're like, "Well, is this WhatsApp yours?" I was like, "Nope." They're like, "Is this Telegram yours?" I said, "Nope." I have warnings everywhere. Yep. Yep. I was like, damn, if y'all want to give away your crypto, just give it to me instead. I'll at least take you out to dinner, give you a kiss. And people get scammed all the time. The worst time ever was $500,000. $500,000. Listen, if y'all want to send crypto, I can give you my address and you can send it to me. Anything over 10,000, I'll personally write you a letter too. I'm just kidding. I mean, if you want to send me money for a tip, you go ahead and do your thing. But I'm just saying, don't be sending it to the fake Jduns. All right, let's see here what this gives us. I'm watching this level up here. Did it? Really from the streets. With the dip, I'm watching for a shorts entry. Testing a small size of shorts up here. 92. If we end up breaking, my worst case scenario is you break above like 510. There we go so far. But I'd like to keep my stops with a candle close above 500. Got 10 points so far. I'd like to see lower. I'd like to see lower into these 70s. But if you want to scout before FOMC, I'm open to it. You have 12 points here. Since FOMC, I'm going to take a baby piece off here around that 1-to-1. I'd like to see us continue on down. Just because it's FOMC day. I'd like to see like 20 plus points out of this below 70. That'll be my main trim. You're up 14 points so far. What do you mean you never know when I'm going to trade? I literally said I was in shorts at 92. And said I was watching for that area the last 20 minutes, bro. I thought that was pretty transparent. Next trim is at 70, guys. But manage how you see fit. It's up 15 points. 17 points. Manage how you see fit. Thanks, bro. Come on. I'm going to put my stops at break even now, guys. Just in case. I'd like to see this trend down, though. The setup looks decent. Let's see if we can get this move down. Let's see if we can get this continue to move down. That's what I want to see is, I'd like to see a low a day, but 70 areas. All right, guys. Second trim secured here at 70. Second trim secured. Stops are still at break even. I have not moved my stops down. Thanks, bro. 22 points so far. FOMC day, we'll take it. Let's see if we can get some more out of this. I'm holding the rest. My stops are at break even. I have not moved my stops down anymore. They're at break even at 92. I'm willing to give this trade some room to breathe. Come on. Come on. Push it down. So I'm talking about, guys. Hey, let's go. Everly made 500. That's awesome. Come on, guys. Let's see this keep moving. Let's see this keep moving, baby. As a reminder, make sure you guys have managed your positions how you see fit. Always manage your risk. My stops are at break even. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. As a reminder, I do my best every single day to help you guys learn, level up, and win. So if you're on YouTube, appreciate you hitting that subscribe. If you're on TikTok, appreciate you hitting that follow button. I will always do my best to help you find winning trades. I would like to see more out of this, but it's FOMC day, so with 22 points, I'm fine with that. There was no drawdown whatsoever. So reminder, guys, my stops are at break even. It is a risk-free trade. I'd like to see more out of this, but if we get 20 some points, then... Oh, come on. I'm not super confident in FOMC day. We may just hang around here and consolidate. So that's why I took those two trims and my stops are at break even. So it's a risk-free trade. Any of you guys take that with me? Team Bull? Let me know in chat if you guys made some money on that. Let me know. How are we doing on FOMC day? How much y'all pay yourselves? Let's see. Deadhead paid himself $400. Let's go. What'd y'all pay yourselves? Let's see it. What'd y'all pay yourselves on that? 400. Lots of W's. 1K, 225, 1300, 600, 200, 376. Beautiful. 300, 900. Let's go. 700, 150, 150, 321. Beautiful. Awesome, guys. None. Literally went straight down. It literally went straight down, bro. I would like to see, ideally, more. I'm still in this. Still cruising. But FOMC day, guys, a lot of times you'll see chop up until the meeting. So just be aware of that. And the reason I liked that trade is for education. I mean, I'd like to see more out of it, but the reason I liked it was because we had this aggressive 5-minute candle with increasing red volume, right? Increasing selling. We swept London highs. We swept 15-minute high. So as we come into this candle around this 500 area, 490 to 500, I look at it as, well, if we're going to find a lower high spot, it's likely in between this aggressive selling here. In my worst case scenario, as we pop down, I don't try to top tick so we could keep aggressively pushing up. When we push down here to 490 or 492, excuse me, know that if we get this push down, I can now set my stops to above this candle wick at whole cycle number 500. And worst case scenario is I keep a 20 point or so stop on it above this 15-minute high. And ideally, we test low a day, which is solid risk reward. So absolute worst case scenario, this trade was still over 1R. From a risk perspective, it was technically 1.5, almost 2, because our ideal risk was this 499, 500 area. That's how I look at things. That's how I look at risk. It's where can I get the best risk reward? Again, you'd rather see that be a nice trend entry and we move down and get a 30, 40, 50, 60 point move. But, you know, if you can get 20 points with no drawdown over and over again, that's a sustainable strategy. You can make a lot of money doing that. I show you that every day. As a reminder, I tell you this every day, but when you use code Jdun, I mean, regardless of what code you use or what you trade out, I always do my best to help y'all learn, level up, and win. My computer is internet connected. Yup. All of my computers at my office are. They're all in ones. It's pretty cool having an office, a commercial office I can help people learn at in person. It's pretty great. In calling winning trades on live, like I just did. And I do pretty much every single day. Appreciate you being here and supporting. Appreciate y'all being here and supporting. As a reminder, FFF right now, the Funded Futures family is 60% off all evals and 35% off all straight to funded accounts. All of them. So if you guys want access, they have great rules. They paid out over $8 million. Use code Jdun. This is the last day for 60% off. Put it in the chat as well. Apex is 50% off. The 90% off is no longer here, but 50% off is still fine. It's a discount, but it's not crazy. You can use code Jdun for that as well. Always comes with payout protection. If there's any problems with your payouts, you know I got your back to the firm. Hey, let's go, Max. The FFF deal is great right now, too. They have 3 different evals you can choose from. No daily loss limits. 1-day pass on 2 of them. Come on. Don't ping my hard stop. Oh, it did it. Let me see my trade of a... Yep, pinged it all. Hard stops are pinged. Hard stops got hit, guys. Hard stops got hit. Hard stops got hit. Hard stops got hit. That's all right. We'll take it. FOMC day. It's not crazy, but... Don't. As a reminder, guys, no admins or anyone in Team Bull, myself, anyone else will message you first, ask you for money, trade for you. It is a scam. Please do not get scammed, even if the profile looks identical in Discord, on social media. Don't get scammed. Your weekly reminder, do not get scammed, please. There's lots of fakes. What if this camera takes you out to dinner? I mean, then at least you get something, some bang for your buck, right? You get some bang for your buck. LAX. I really wanted that to be a bigger trade, guys, but I'm happy. I mean, look at this 5-minute chart so far. A lot of times you'll see this type of move and you'll get the continued downtrend, at least to that pre-market low or 15-minute low. Didn't happen to work out today, but still, nonetheless, decent trade. Tommy, I place trades on, I trade on Edge Clear, TOS, and then on funded accounts on Tradeovate, obviously. I don't trade on TradingView. I just chart on TradingView. As long as if you're short at 510, your stops just have to be above 525. Appreciate y'all being here, YouTube chat. How's everyone doing today in the YouTube? What are y'all looking for? Hopefully y'all are doing all right. Let's go. Yes, sir, Max Trader. Fault. Flat. I was like fault. What do you mean fault? The orb does work on ES. It also works on individual names and even gold. What do you say, Grizzly Glock? That's hilarious. Grizzly Trades, Brandon P. Bro loves you. Oh my gosh, we're pumping. Let's see. If it looks good enough, I'm willing to give back. Give back like 10 points or so. We close in 1 minute. I gotta pee. I gotta be back in 30 seconds. I'll be right back for the close of the orb. Sprint! Do we look at it? Do we try it? don't know if we do. What's the bottom of this candle? 485, 509. I don't know if we try it, guys. I don't know. Maybe like 500 area. I just hate that we've touched pre-market high twice. If it wasn't FOMC day, I'd be a little more keen to take it, but the volume looks good. The candlestick looks good. The only issue is that we've already swept pre-market high or London high. I'd like to see if we could retest down closer to 500. I'd be open with stops. So then your worst case scenario is if you dip below 485, you just stop for 15 points. Right now, if you take it and you're going to stop below the trend setting candle, you have 25 points of risk, which means from here you have to get up to 535 to make it a 1 hour trade. So you have to almost bet that you're going to trend above pre-market high for another 10 points. That's my thought process. Already made some money this morning. I have not taken it yet. I'm more so in capital preservation mode because it's FOMC day. So I'm okay. I've accepted the fact that the volume is higher. We closed above the 15-minute high. If we end up trending up from here, I'm 100% okay with missing the setup. And that's... I am green on the month. My last red day was last Monday. I was red on Tezzy Baby. I would, but I don't speak or negotiate with haters. You can come check out my internet connected computers though. All in ones, baby. I'm doing good, man. Looks like this orb might play out. This orb may play out. We'll see. I'm not in it because I already caught a nice winning trade. But all the signs are there. It's just FOMC day. All the signs are there. It's just FOMC day. Pause in my part of town. God bless my soul. Know how to act. See if they give us anything else. Down at 502, it's getting close to that level. Going on outside and want to save from. You can run, but you can't hide forever. Yes, sir. Rock steady. Let's go, baby. Can't have forever. For mean. Let's see here. Damn, we got that pullback to 500. Got the pullback to 500 and then ripped. That would have been the move, man. I just didn't want to give back any gains. Didn't want to give back any gains. It would be at 1-1 right now with that 15 points of risk up at 515. Well, almost 1-1. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that subscribe button, baby. We trade live every single day, Monday through Friday. Right here on YouTube, TikTok, and inside Team Bowl. Damn, now we're ripping. That 500 area was it. The pullback to this previous wick up, aggressive move up, and higher low here. I didn't take it, but glad some of y'all caught it. Hey, let's go. Glad some of y'all caught that. Definitely wasn't a signal per se, but nonetheless, it's cool to see the level worked out. It's cool to see the level worked out. We'll take it. Those I never forgot. I am not. I'm a her, baby. The boy Perks. Play rips for you, bro. Come up in it, visit on my sir. I'm going to look for one more setup, but has to be real good if I'm going to take it. That 500 worked out all right. I did not take that. See what else we get. FLA, what the F is the deal? FLA, what the F is the deal? Skeller. All I know is that today, nice. 2 for 3 on the day. W, nice. Damn. Well, probably did something to break the rules, Jess. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I don't pay attention to other people's payouts. If you use code Jdun, I'll go to bat for you. But if you get banned, you likely did something wrong, right? Oh, yeah. Okay, no way. The rappers. Greg tried the longs. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, we hit bangers every single day. Got your bangers almost every single day. Choose discipline over dopamine. Call out our trades live in real time, and that's what we do. We win, baby. Please don't respond to any of the fake Jduns. They're not me. I don't want your money. Don't send the crypto. Don't send the crypto. Don't get scammed. Yeah, I honestly just don't get it. Hopefully you can get this pop up now. No. No. Go up, baby. Come on. Wanna hear Sophia? What up, Mateo? Appreciate you being here, bro. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team, baby. Make sure you tap in, hit that follow button. Ugh. How's everyone doing this morning? One winning trade for me, one winning idea. I didn't take it, so we're not going to count it as a winning trade. Then Greg so far isn't a winner. We'll see. Hopefully it keeps going up. How y'all doing this morning? It's FOMC day, so likely nothing else until after. We'll see. I'm not opposed to it. No. I don't bend to the haters. They're all coming from the guy who promoted a firm that rug pulled on y'all. How about you ask him that? How many firms have you promoted that the rug pulled? Me, none. We don't bend the knee. We hit winners every single day, baby. Win, lose, or draw. It's facts. It's facts. You know, we're here to win. Don't. All right, let's see. Come on, pop up. Pop up for my boy. Oh, whoops. Just trading live. That's right, baby. You getting on for FOMC Grizzly Glock? Got 1,500 on one Apex. Nice. As a reminder, guys, the best sales of the day right now are Apex is 50% off using code Jdun. FFF is 60% off using code Jdun, and then Tradeify dropped their bottom line, and that is that's 50. So that's technically speaking 50% off. It'll say 35, but they also dropped their bottom line price, so it ends up being about 50% off till tomorrow. Is that a bull flag? Well, I mean, I will trade flags. It's not the main thing I'll look at, but if you have a structural break, I'll for sure look at it. I'll for sure look at it. Code Jdun gets you the best possible discount. It's our code for discipline over dopamine, baby. Give Greg more, baby. I appreciate you, Anna. Now make that work out. Make that work for you and get yourself a payout. Show yourself, baby. Give him pre-market high. Give him pre-market high. Give it a kiss. The famous Greg Keese. Give it a kiss, Greg. Give it a new high-a-day kiss. Yeah, it does. Just reject, reject, reject. It might have trouble trending over. We'll be live on YouTube for FOMC. Yep, likely. I plan on it. Yeah, well, I will likely be live for FOMC on TikTok and YouTube, and of course inside Team Bull. If you guys want the Zoom link, that will be out for everyone inside Team Bull. Free Discord is below the video. Oh, yeah. Yeah, what'd you put down? I wonder what the market would do if we cut today, surprisingly. I bet it would rip. Ripper. It'll likely be the big move will likely be in his tone and what he says. Purple tie, we're printing. Purple tie, we're printing. That's just what's going down. And I'm glad I was able to catch y'all a winner today. One winning solid trade. One winning solid trade today. One winning idea. And then Greg with a nice winner right now, too. Push it up for my boy. Push it up for my boy. He said, I'm in puts. Please don't push it up. Hey, you know what? For my boy, don't push up. But for Team Bull, I got to say push up because the squads and longs. Give him more. Give him more. Give my mans more. How's your morning been, everyone? TikTok chat, YouTube chat. How y'all been? Talk to me. How's everyone's morning been? We caught one solid winner, myself, one winning level, and then Greg is in a winning trade too. Almost 300 of y'all in YouTube and 400 in TikTok. How y'all doing? How's everyone's morning been? Have you guys followed your plan? You trading smart, trading safe? I think you go to my YouTube channel to learn Jdun trades, Will. I have tons of free beginner material. $480, nice. What do you say, bro? Yes, more than likely I will be. Learning. No trading until FOMC. Thank you for your valuable education. It's all for free. Yes, sir. You're welcome, Wilson. Listening to all your podcasts and free game on YouTube, journaling every trade and working on holding winners longer and cutting losers. That's what's up. That's exactly how you get better. Bigger winners, smaller losers. That's what we do. That's discipline over dopamine. That is discipline over dopamine, baby. Do you recommend any prop firms? Yep. Apex, FFF, and Tradeify. If you guys have questions on prop firms, the best thing you can do is you can DM me on IG at Jdun Trades, or you can join the free Discord. If you guys would like access to the free Discord, send me a DM on IG and I'll get you that link for today. Nice job, Greg. Nice job, Greg. Nice job, my boy. Nice job, my boy. Nice job, my boy. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Back-to-back winners for the squad on voice today. Pre-FOMC. Pre-FOMC 2 dubs. Makes me happy. Makes me very happy. I've seen someone tag me earlier. I will be back for FOMC. I will be. We'll be live inside the Discord, baby. You got it. 870 away from a 1750 payout on FFF. Nice. That's awesome, bro. Keep at it, Jonas. Keep it getting base hits. I trade live for free every single day. Have a lot of valuable education. All you got to do is hit that follow button if you're on TikTok, or subscribe if you're on YouTube. Yeah. NVIDIA is leading the way. Been trading for almost 10 years, and my 14-year-old son is trading with Apex. Kid is up 2K in 1 week. That's awesome, bro. He's going to be an absolute monster by 18. This amount of patience is for pros only. Well, good thing you're in a place to learn patience with Team Bull. Don't. Finally getting that move up. That candle looks good too, bro. We closed that strong above pre-market high with volume, so it looks good for you, man. A higher volume here, and then close above this whole zone. Hopefully you can get more. Don't see you now. What time is FOMC? 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Speech starts at 2:30 Eastern Time. Yes. Let it go. Let it rip. Tesla's struggling today, too. I think NVIDIA is. Oh, yeah. NVIDIA is leading the way. NVIDIA is leading the way. Take us to the motherland. No second trade for me, Mems. Just Greg's trade. Two winning trades inside Team Bull Live Trading. 2 winning trades inside Team Bull. Two winning trades for the Team Bull Familia. 2 winning trades for the Team Bull Familia. You'll love to see it. Dun, 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 dun. Your stream helps. Appreciate you, fam. I'll keep doing my best to help you guys trade and stay patient. Give you guys a sense of peace. I want you guys to have peace in your trading. It's my absolute number one goal for y'all. When you hit that follow button, if you're on TikTok, you know you're getting that. What's up, Tom? Hey, my friend, you rock. You were the best trader I've ever learned from. Well, hope you meant trader, not traitor. Appreciate you being here, man. You out of here, bro? You working the rest of the day, or what's your plans? Nice. Well, hope you have a great rest of your day, bro. Sir, appreciate you, bro. I'll see you later. And what an aggressive move back down. Sheesh. See you, bro. Peace. I'll be live for probably 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes y'all got me for. Team Bull. This market is donkey teeth today. What does that mean? Retesting that pre-market high. We're in between 15-minute high and pre-market high, so it's a little risky of an area for anything right here. Having a tough time making decisions. Hello? What's up, Gene? I was hoping it was you. Otherwise, like, damn, someone's breaking in. Yep. Fans are here. They want to trade. You didn't do any trading, did you? No. Nice. I caught a nice winner today live.
Did you catch the orb?
So, Jerry, it's an Elgato. It's an Elgato. Elgato face cam. Damn, now we're pumping down. Let's see. We may just chop back and forth. Dun, 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 dun. Done touched 500. Oh, nothing new for me. Just one trade today for me. Uno trade. As a reminder, guys, FFF 60% off ends today. If you use code Jdun, you can lock in 60% off all evals. 35% off straight to funded. Let's go here. Yep, Apex is trusted. They paid out the most. Just got to follow the rules. Just got to follow the rules, bro. As long as you follow the rules, you'll be all right. Typically, I'd said watch for a short entry, too. We closed below the pre-market high and below the 15-minute high with 2 aggressive red candlesticks. I'm not sure they'll give us the move pre-FOMC, but I would typically look for the shorts in this type of scenario. With this type of price action. Appreciate you, Wi-Fi. Appreciate you, bro. We always give them back when we can, baby. Reason I like the shorts is we close below this 15-minute high, aggressive close below here. I'm not super keen to take anything with FOMC coming up, but from a price action and learning standpoint, this is something I'd look for a move down below this 500 area. Ooh. In a typical scenario, I'd like the shorts here with stops above like 25. But I'm likely done for the day. We have FOMC, so there's a higher probability that we chop. Oh. Don't. Let's go here. Edge. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. 20 more minutes. Hopefully, you all have had a good morning so far. It's been a great morning here inside Team Bowl. There's that short I was looking for. That is exactly what I was looking for. With that failure of the 15-minute high, if you were listening. Now, if you took that, you'd have to move your stops to break even. You take it, Gene? Nice. I'm just glad you got the idea. Just glad you got the idea there. Glad y'all saw the education there.
That was 26 points though. That was 30.
Love to see it. You love to see it.
Honestly, I already seen it before you said something, but you gave me that extra confirmation.
Give you the extra push.
Yes, sir.
The extra push. You love to see it. Nice job, guys. I love when our directional bias works based on price action.
It was a little iffy though.
Yep. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button here on TikTok, or if you're on YouTube, hitting that subscribe. I do my best every single day to help you guys learn, level up, and win. Every single day. Took the short, 700 extra. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. If you guys have any interest in, this is completely trading aside, but if you guys have any interest in building your own personal brand or online business, I help out with that a lot on my personal Instagram page at Jdun. So if you go to Instagram at Jdun, you'll find it. It's just strictly my personal life, discipline, business. So if you guys have any interest in building your own online business or your own team bull, if you're a trader, make sure you guys go follow my personal Instagram page, Jdun, at JDUN. That's it. It's only for people who want to build an online personal brand or business or just want to follow my personal life. Post a lot of cool shit on there. I built Team Bull into a powerhouse. I've been an online business for 5+ years and made millions of dollars doing it. It's not really trading on there, but I know a lot of y'all want to make money on the side. Wait, Jdun still trades? What do you mean? Jdun goes crazy. If you want to build your own trading business, you tap into at Jdun on IG. This looks like it once low a day now. See if we tap up a little more. Took it short. Nice. Appreciate you, bro. Do my best to help y'all learn, level up, and win every single day. All I ask is you guys tap in, hit that follow button. Let's keep learning and leveling up together. We do it every day. Give us one more, maybe. I don't like to force trades. If it's A+, I will. But you won't find me forcing trades. That's choosing dopamine over discipline. And we choose discipline over dopamine. Said that I would do. Only sell, I see. What do you even mean? I only sell, bro. I call you. I'm not even going to respond to that. I am blessed to have 2 Lamborghinis that I worked very hard for. You should mentor me for free. Why would I do that? Just join my YouTubes and TikToks every day. A Ferrari guy. I don't like Ferraris, bro. Trading something that I've been doing for 9 years, but my main business is Team Bull. I also have a real estate business. Also, as a reminder too, I don't talk about this much, but I'd love to see more of you guys on my personal Instagram page. If you want to build your own trading business or your own online business, maybe you do makeup, maybe you sell cars, maybe you're a lawyer. If you want to get more followers on social media and build your online coaching business, follow my personal IG at Jdun Trades. Or at Jdun, excuse me. Jdun Trades is my trading one. I'd love to see more of y'all there. Humble Honda, yes, sir. Started what? Really? I am the marketing team, baby. Small junk removal business that we're trying to scale. You'd be perfect for it. Email us. Depends. YEA, probably not. But just email us. If you have any questions about joining or refunds or whatever. I have no idea who you are, respectfully. I'm the marketing team, baby. Yep, boring businesses are great. The best way to grow them these days is through social media. The best way to grow any boring business is through social media. Well, Wall Street could definitely help you get you right with marketing yourself. Have you ever thought about your greater purpose? People ask me a lot. They say, traders don't really contribute a lot to society. What's your real purpose? And mine is helping people live a better life and have freedom. So if I can help more traders trade better, have more freedom, buy their time back to spend with their family, get in better shape, be more disciplined, then that's purpose to me. That's bigger than just making money on a screen to me. That's why I say discipline over dopamine so much. It's all about buying your time back, living a better, healthier, happier life. You can do those things. Purpose kicks in. You have helped me a lot in 3 years. I put in the work and all your free content. Appreciate you, bro. Okay, that fake account is not me in chat. Hello, are you holding or trading crypto? Hey, I know this guy, Jdun. I've seen you before, bro. Teambulltrading.1. Oh, sweet. I'm so happy, Jdun. You're in my chat, bro. What? Guys, Jdun Trades is in the chat. Teambulltrading.1. Say hi to Teambulltrading.1. Who wants us to give us his crypto, bro? Can I please give you my crypto? Please. Please. I want to make money. Blocked. It's the craziest when they come and type in chat, bro. That's crazy. They're just like, no F's given. Time to long. I wouldn't necessarily say that. People ask me a lot. They say, you know, when you choose to retire, you're going to save as much as you can for your kids and legacy. And, you know, I'm not really sure. Maybe some of you older cats can shed some wisdom, but like, I look at it as my upbringing of not really having anything, single mom and no money, led me to work way harder, in my opinion. And I don't want my kid to think that life is just easy mode. You know, so I want him to have to work for everything. So how do you decipher between, you know, being blessed with having financial resources, but also not wanting to give your kid an easy life? It's almost, you know, pain leads to purpose, and purpose leads to, you know, persistence and passion, and that leads to freedom. I think a trust and making them work for it's got to be the move. You can't just hand them everything. That leads to laziness and a lot of bad things, statistically speaking. I think it's nice being able to provide for your family, but also you don't want to just hand them everything. Got to make them be hungry for it. Like, yeah, I got some nice cars, but tell you one thing, Riker's getting the humble Honda, and he's paying his dad for it too. I'm putting him on a payment plan for the humble Honda. That ain't free. Do you want your coffee, Gene?
Oh, you got coffee?
Oh, it's probably, well, it's still kind of, I got it.
Coffee. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
He's going to have to learn it. Got to work for it. Otherwise, it doesn't last. There's so many studies, so many times where people are given this massive inheritance and they just blow it. That's the last thing you want. You don't want to let your... Yeah, he's paying double for the humble Honda. Yep, I think I like help your kids financially, down payment for a house, education. You know, I think that if they're working for it, I agree. college and skills and things. Who knows? I think college is going to be a way different environment in the next 5-10 years. Think about it. Think of how many jobs AI is going to replace. It's crazy. There's a lot of people in college right now that are studying for degrees that aren't, the AI is likely, unfortunately, going to take over. It's such a interesting thing. I was watching this podcast the other day by the diary of a CEO, and he was doing it with the godfather of AI. That's what they called the guy. Which was it? It was his name was, there we go. His name was Geoffrey Hinton. And they talk about superintelligence and AI coming into play. And it's actually very crazy. The dangers of AI and where we're going to be in 5-10 years from now. I think for a while, eventually, it's going to be the people who can run the AI are going to win. And then eventually, when we get to superintelligence, it's a very scary thing. If you guys want to learn more about AI and the risks, this is a great podcast to listen to. And it's very fascinating, scary. Makes you want to start learning AI and finding ways, for example, with a personal brand, right? You build a human personal brand. I think there's going to be a market for human-owned businesses. Call me crazy. But when you can market and say, hey, we don't employ robots, we're human-owned, we love the humankind and emotion, I think that's gonna be a big market in 5-10 years too. For what it's worth. So if you want to get ahead of the curve, in my spare time, I trade for the first few hours a day, but I'm very passionate about helping people build business too. You can follow me on my personal Instagram at Jdun. If you want to learn how to build your own personal brand or online business or scale your brick and mortar. It's just JDUN on Instagram. If you want to get ahead of the curve with AI. What are you coming here talking about? Courses, bro. One of you once heard me saying you're buying my course. Literally. Find one time in the live, go back. Throwing shit. Have I ever taken a trade? Nope. I'm still waiting on my first trade ever. I'm live streaming this trading for you, and we're going to take my first trade ever together. Ever. My first trade. I've been watching charts for 9 years, and I've never taken a trade in my life. It's good you don't have a course because you can't trade. Yeah, good thing. Good thing. So no, got it. At 11:30 Eastern time, that's when the haters start coming in. You're a day trader, not a trade everyday trader. There's a big difference. As a reminder, FFF, the Funded Futures family, is 60% off right now. You can use code JDUN for the best possible discount. I will always do my best to help you guys get paid out and and faster challenges. Gene, someone said put Gene Jean or Grizz on the mic instead. Nicer voices.
I have a nice voice.
You guys don't like my voice?
Very
You guys don't like my voice. You don't.
Grace's accent that people like.
You don't want me to sing for you, baby.
No.
Mr. Gene, your trading is obscene. Killing NQ like a crime scene. We working out, we getting nice and lean.
We gotta hit a good workout today.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Leg day. Comment.
Damn, those shorts are about to pay. That entry up there we talked about was nasty. That orb reversal. Solid. That was solid. Yeah, we keep it going, Sand baby. Keep it moving. Gina's the GOAT.
Appreciate you, my friends.
Yes, yes, yes. Can also get 35% off resets as well. If you guys are trading with FFF, my old prop firm, all the evals are 60% off right now. Get the code Jdun. It's actually a really good deal. Straight to Funded is 35% off. And the evals are on sale. Go milk my old prop firm, please. Go milk them. Go milk them boys. Won't even give them money for the eval, homie. Well, that's your choice. Go with Apex or Tradeify then. I like where they're at as a business. I think they made a lot of positive, good changes. Paid out a lot. Yeah, stick with TPT. You stick with the prop firm that you like that works for you. I think FFF's good. They made a lot of positive changes, Redo, but you know, I never, when someone says I hate FFF or I hate Apex or whatever, I'm like, okay, then trade with the firm you like. I think FFF's plans are very competitive now. They've done a lot of good things with the business. Manny's done a great job. With code Jdun, you're getting payout protection. I'm going to go to war for your payout if there's ever any problems with Apex, Tradeify, or FFF. Tradeify is really good right now, too. It's 50% off. No hidden rules. Tradeify's got a good deal going right now, too. They lowered their overall cost, so with the discount, it's like 50% off from before. They have good evals and straight to funded, so I always recommend if you want just a solid prop from in general, just use Tradeify. They got best of both worlds. Best of both worlds. I'll be on live for a bit longer. I should usually stay on for 2.5 hours. As a reminder, if you want to get on social media and learn and level up, make sure y'all hit the follow button and make sure y'all hit that subscribe button on YouTube. If you're on TikTok, hit that follow button in the top left corner. Yep. With code Jdun, you will get the best price. And Tradeify is great. You won't find me arguing with people about prop firms. 7 days, Eric. $40s is hitting me. Feeling for 40 next month. I have a question. This is going to sound silly, but I eat really healthy. You guys know. I eat extremely healthy. I eat mostly paleo diet, so meat and veggies. Am I going to regret as I get older not feasting more at age 29 when my body can't? When I eat a grip of food at 40 and I'm like, damn, I feel it now. You can't just go smash whatever. You got to really work that off. That's what I hear, at least. I'm only 29, but I hear when you get in your 40s, it's a little different. Honestly, I plan on having abs forever. The carnivore solved a lot of issues for me. I mean, I don't eat fully carnivore. I eat probably 85% carnivore. 85%. A good amount. Not fully, but a good amount. I just like eating meat. I feel better. I just signed up with FFF for 150K Elite, and your code was great. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, you're a beast, Greville. No joke. Bro's a beast. What do you think? I just got word from FFF I can give away some surprise accounts today. Should we give away 3 50K accounts? Not as many people in chat right now, too, so better chance to win. We made good money today, so. All right, all right. Here's the deal. I'm going to post a message in admin trading floor. It'll be a great day today, 1 for 1. I don't want to surprise everyone who's not on chat right now. I want to reward y'all for staying. Emote my post in the admin trading floor to enter the giveaway, all right? I'm going to keep it low-key between us. Live trades. Let's go. Who's calling me? Grandma. Hello? Hello? Did you butt dial, Granny? I can't hear you speaking, Grandma. Definitely butt dialed. Definitely butt dialed. Yep, as a reminder, if you guys want to be included in the giveaway, you can go to the free Discord. Go to the free Discord. You can find it on the YouTube below my live in the description. Let me get you a link too. I'll post it in the chat as well. We always answer grandma and mom. I just posted the free Discord link. I guess I'll open it I'll open the admin trading floor for you right now. Yep, as a reminder, emote that to enter the giveaway. Don't. Damn, Bank of America says 0% chance for rate cuts this year. And Polymarket says 80% chance. Who do y'all believe? Who do you guys believe? You think no rate cuts? I could see it. Okay. Gene, come pick someone to win an FFF 50K Elite Challenge. All right, my eyes are closed. I'm going back and forth. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Sexy Hockey Dad. Sexy Hockey Dad is winner one. You got 60 seconds. 60 seconds, Sexy Hockey Dad. It's winner. 60 seconds. I learned nothing from this. Well, then you probably weren't here very long. Boom! Sexy Hockey Dad with the reply. I feel very odd saying that, but nonetheless, I'm glad you won and you're here, baby. Bang. Please send me your FFF email. Let's go. I hope you get a payout from this account. Let's go. You stick around from these lives, Mateo. I promise you'll learn, bro. There's a reason so many people show up every day. I promise, my bro. All right, let's give away a second one. Gene, let's give away a second one. Tell me when.
Stop.
We got Stacks 7456. Stacks. Hey, I know this guy. That's Rob. No shit. That's hilarious. He lives in Colorado. Come on, Rob. Don't let me down. No preferential treatment here. You got 60 seconds. I know we're boys. I know we've gotten parries together. I know we live like 20 minutes apart. But rules are rules, baby. Come on, Rob. Boom. FF email. We got a response from Rob. I was gonna say, damn, bro. I was like, Rob's gonna be mad at me for the next one, or for our next lunch.
I didn't think he was gonna respond.
I didn't either. But he did somehow. He did. We got Rob to respond. All right, we got one more account courtesy of FFF, which, as a reminder, they are 60% off right now using code Jdun. Go milk my old firm, please. Go take their money. Go take their monies. All evals are 60% off today. And the straight to funded accounts, which I like, they have 25% consistency, are 35% off. All right, should we pick another one for the surprise giveaway, Gene? The last one.
Stop.
We got A. Lawrence. A. Lawrence. A. Lawrence. Hey, that's a female too. A. Oh no, I can't message her. Hey, Lawrence, you got to message me. I can't message you. I'll tag you in chat. Got 60 seconds. Hey, Lawrence. Don't let me down. The clock has started. 50 more seconds. All right. Since it's in chat, we'll do 2 minutes. Fine. We'll do 2 minutes. As a reminder, guys, if you don't want to miss these future giveaways, you can join the free Discord. I put it in the YouTube chat, and if you guys want it from IG, you can send me a DM on IG at Jdun Trades. I won't, like, you could also message me, I guess, on my personal IG at Jdun. It's not really trading, but I check those DMs too. We're almost at 120 seconds and no response from A. Lawrence. We got 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, A. Lawrence. Sorry, A. Lawrence. I gave you an extra minute. We tried. As a team, we collectively tried. Gene, need the picker back here. Tell me when. Eyes are closed.
Stop.
Oh, it's going. It's going. Slower than you. Slower than you. Better not be slow in that response. Better not be slow. And damn, team bull member since 2022. Okay, I see you. Damn. And bang, a response right away. In Colorado, too. Oh, shit. That's awesome. Let's go. If you don't have one, send FF email. If you don't have one, please make and send to me. Bang. You love to see it. In Colorado, too. That is what's up. That is what is up, baby. I always like to do surprise giveaways for y'all. Shout out to the Funded Futures family giving us that giveaway. Surprise giveaway on a Wednesday. Maybe you can pass your accounts for FOMC. Pass your accounts for some FOMC, baby. For some FOMC. What's the July code for off? Always code Jdun. I don't have a code with MFF. I have codes with Tradeify, Apex, and the Funded Futures family. And that's it. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. $2022 is what's up. It's crazy. Actually ended up being a decent trading morning for an FOMC day. I'm surprised. I'm very surprised. And I hope Hawaii's all right for the most part because the people of Hawaii and, you know, it's a beautiful place. But also, I got my wedding coming up there in 2 months. Your boy's getting married in Hawaii end of September. So I'll likely be a little slower trading for a week. I'm going to try to get on a few days. but I probably won't be trading too much that week. And honestly, I would. I don't look at this as quote unquote work. I like trading. I like hanging out with Team Bull. But the hours there are just so rough getting up at 3:30. So likely going to take most of the time there off. Oh, guys, Jdun Trades is back in the chat. Team Bull Trading 81 is back in the... Oh, shit, bro. I'm a huge fan. Thank you so much for supporting. Team Bull Trading 81. Let's go. Blocked. Live stream the wedding. Yeah, I mean, I get it. If I was used to it, TK, I could do it. I could totally do it. I could get up at that Hawaii time. I'm just not used to it. So I'll likely get on a bit. Get on a bit. September 26th. End of September. End of September. I'll be gone that whole week. Waking up at 3:30 a.m. to trade is crazy, bro. Well, it's New York Open. So it's 3:30 a.m. in Hawaii. Married for 4 years. That's awesome. All right, Niche Court, are you in Hawaii? What island? That's dope. Do we got any Hawaii people in chat? Got any Islanders? Oahu, nice. I really like the North Shore. I love the North Shore. Got Thailand in chat. Jdun, you're the FFF scammer, right? Yup, totally. I'd love to hear you elaborate on that. What does owning a prop firm that is still active and has paid out over $8 million? Please tell me what the scam is in that. I'm genuinely curious. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Really? I'd love to hear them. Last time I checked, FFF's killing it. I mean, I haven't owned it for 5 months, but they're doing great. You can use code JDUN for 60% off all the evals right now, too. It's from Discord. What do you even mean? It's from Discord. I like the Big Island, too. It's my favorite. Hopping off to hit the gym. Thanks for holding me accountable. Got it. You gonna wife in the wedding? We'll get some things in here for sure. Oh, now it's I don't make money from trading, you make money from Discord. Got it. Definitely not every day. Definitely didn't make $2,000 a day. Can all of Team Bull come to the wedding? Yes. Come on over to Hawaii. Yep, I think we're going to go for kid number 2 as well. I need another Riker. Actually, I'm kind of hoping kid number 2 is a girl and then another boy. What do y'all think we're having next? Think second baby bull is going to be a bull or a... What's the female version of a... Not a bull. A heifer? Am I going to have a heifer or a bull? To my future girl, I promise I'm not calling you fat. It's part of the business. You wouldn't understand yet. I know. I'm like, I swear I'm not calling you fat. They didn't even like that. My future daughter is going to be watching the stream being like, damn, my dad called me a heifer. That is savage. Before I was born. No mames. No mames. Completely no mames. Yeah, I wouldn't mind having a girl next. I'm doing this coming Sunday. I'm doing a gender reveal for my boy Alan. Y'all are definitely not getting videos of this. Me and his other best friend are dressing up as WWE wrestlers, and we're gonna fight in big baby costumes. And the winner is gonna be what the baby is, or a boy or a girl. So I'm gonna be a boy or a girl. He's gonna be a boy or a girl, and we're gonna wrestle. And at the end of the match, whoever the winner is, that's what the baby is. We're going to make it super dramatic. Ain't none of y'all getting that footage. And Gene, you better not record it. Send it to Team Bull. They can't be having that dirt on me of me in a big old girl baby costume.
Oh, you have to be the girl?
Probably Ryan's going to make me be the girl.
Oh, man.
I'm going to be the biggest girl on earth. 6'7" girl just rah. Huge girl, big girl. Absolutely monster girl. 6'7", just jacked. Wow, the market's ripping now. All right, y'all. It's been a nice stream with you guys today. Call it a winning trade. And I'll be back on. I'm going to go to the gym, get some food, and then I'll be back on for... No, Brandon, you won't be recording anything. I'll be back on for FOMC as well. Maybe trading from the office, too. Might be trading from the Team Bull headquarters. So, all right, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. And I will see you guys on the flip side, all right? Have a great morning, Team Bull. I'll see you guys for FOMC in 2 hours. God bless y'all. Peace. Trade smart, trade safe. Don't do anything dumb. All right, TikTok and YouTube, I'm out of here, guys. Appreciate y'all being a part of the stream. Make sure if you guys are looking to trade FOMC or non-farm payrolls on Friday, the 2 best deals right now. Apex is 50% off, but that's not the best deal. That's the 3rd best. FFF is 60% off. Tradeify is 50% off, which is great because they lowered their baseline prices. You can use code Jdun for deals on both those. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. If you guys, as a reminder too, I'm trying to build up my personal Instagram page. So if you guys want to start your own online business or learn more about being disciplined, and maybe you want to be disciplined in your personal life, that'll help with your trading. Go give me a follow. Come join me on my personal Instagram at Jdun. Just at JDUN. JDUN, baby. Love to help you guys build your online presence, build your discipline up. Let's get it. God bless y'all. See y'all on Instagram. I'll be posting stories there and active there as well. Peace, everyone.